I've always had bad luck with dentists.
So we're opting for an implant, a new implant smile, which is what a lot of people come to us for.
I'm ready for the confidence that
The
comes with
confidence,
it.
exactly. All right. Well, congratulations. We're excited to get the ball rolling.
Thank you.
How long ago did we do surgery? Just barely.
Yeah.
Same day surgery. We got your teeth. Right now, how do they feel?
Great. No pain, no nothing.
Good. It's probably still a little bit numb, but are you ready to show Mama your new smile?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go ahead and take that off and show Mom.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Okay, you ready to see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here you go.
Look at that.
What do you think of that?
It's so pretty.
If those darn lips would cooperate, huh? They're still not.
Look at that.
That's why I a lot of times like it the next day, because the lips actually work. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? That didn't look like that just a few hours ago.
Thank you.
Yep, that little tooth is gone. Looks much better.
How's that make you feel, Mama?
Makes me proud.
Pretty awesome. You're going to see her smiling a lot.
Deserves this.
Absolutely. Well, congratulations. We're going to let you go home and relax now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.